What's going on YouTube? So today's video we have the Anker Soundcore Motion X600 3-month review. Today's video we're going to be going through the pros, cons, whether you should get it or not. Let's just jump straight into it. Taking a look at the box itself, it comes with all the specifications. This has a spatial audio, extra bass, 12-hour battery life, and a price tag of about 200 bucks. It even has an app. Comes with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, and that's the app. It's Soundcore is the name. This is what the speaker looks like. Very nice. It's made out of metal. It has a really nice handle, USB-C and aux. It is water resistant. IPX7 water resistance is available. Very minimal branding, very sleek, very modern look. This is what it sounds like when it starts up. Now, taking a look at the app, once you start to get it paired, very easy process on how to pair it. Once you pair it through Bluetooth, it'll automatically be able to go through EQ settings. By default, it'll be at the Soundcore signature. I recommend downloading the app so you can actually change it. The best one that I recommend is treble boost, but I actually made my own, and you can actually go in more in depth and change each band individually and get even further into that, which is really cool. So if you're an audiophile, you can fine-tune this to how you want. Very nice app. It also allows you to update in the future if there seems to be more updates in the future. We're going to jump into a spatial audio test now. All right, this is an audio test. Make sure you wear headphones. Left and right channel is available.
Prepare to experience something spectacular with the sight and sound of Dolby technology. This is Dolby Atmos. Now, sound moves around you in three-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go!
Having this speaker for 3 months, I noticed a few things. Number one, the 12-hour battery life is the max possible that you can get, meaning you'd have to turn off the bass and you would have to turn off the spatial audio in order to get, close to 12 hours. If you have both of those on, which I don't see why you wouldn't have both of them on, it sounds better and it just is better, you're going to be getting less than 12 hours. The standard nowadays is about 20 to 30 hours on any speaker, JBL or smaller, that type of size, 20 to 30 hours or more. I know there's a bunch of speakers that are pushing like 60 hours and they have a lot of bass and all that. Now, I know this does have new Bluetooth 5.3 and extra bass and all that, but I would love to see a future version have better battery life, obviously more bass. Now, that's my one con. My second con with the speaker is that whenever you push it above 80 to 90%, it starts to distort really, really badly. The bass is lost, the highs hurt, but don't let that one thing mess up the speaker's image, because it sounds really, really good. And I have other tests that I'll show you in the video. Sound quality in general for 200, it is good. It really is good. Don't get me wrong. Are there other options out there that might be better? Yes, but for spatial audio, to be able to experience that is amazing for the price point. I know Sony once pushed out a speaker for like 400 bucks or higher for their 7D audio, spatial audio, same thing. That one did not go as well as they had hoped. It kind of flopped. It dropped in price because of it. I haven't personally listened to that speaker. This speaker here sounds amazing, looks amazing. They just need to fix those things. It being the very first one in their lineup is really, really good. Soundcore makes really, really great audio product when it comes to headphone speakers, earbuds, everything like that. I'm not being biased, but if you want to sponsor me, you can. I'm not getting anything wrong, but just as an honest review, this is the first generation. I can't wait to see what they have for the second one or a bigger speaker. Once they do, that'll be amazing.
stay consistent in my ways. Oh yeah.
It would mean a lot to me if you guys dropped a like on the video. Videos like this take a lot of time, money, and effort in order to make, and I'd really appreciate if you guys dropped a like to help boost the algorithm. You don't even have to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, I'm all for it. It's right there. It'd really make my day, and even if you guys want to comment, that also makes my day as well. Let's jump back into the video. This is just the iPhone microphone now, just so you get a reference of other YouTubers versus me.
It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world, and transports you to faraway lands.
Alright, so we did a bunch of different testings. We did a stereo test, we did a spatial audio test, we did a bass test, we did an iPhone mic just so you can hear different types of mic on the video as opposed to one flat sounding microphone. We did stereo, and we can't do binaural because that's kind of harder, but I tried different microphones, and as long as I tried different microphones, you know, then it's a little bit better. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you guys want to check out more videos just like this, you can go check out my channel. I have a bunch of different videos if you want to learn how to cut your own hair. Right now I haven't. I'm going to be doing a live stream very soon. By the time this video comes out, you guys probably already watched it, so shout out to you guys that have joined or people that haven't watched that. It's going to be still on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day, and we out.